Happy Monday, I'm KHOU 11 Meteorologist Kim Castro, and here's a look at your extended forecast. We are in December, which means we are officially out of hurricane season. So let's recap the Atlantic season and the storms that popped up. Well, one trend that we noticed this year is a lot of the storm formation really favored the Gulf and the continental U.S., which brought us some very strong storms. And a couple of strong ones really early in the season. Beryl, of course, impacting Houston as a Cat 1 hurricane, and then another storm, Francine, that impacted our neighbors in Louisiana. A number of storms that landed in Florida this year. Helene, Debbie, Milton, and a lot of these did damage along the way. Beryl, for example, making multiple landfalls as a much stronger hurricane before getting to the Gulf Coast. Luckily, we are now officially out of hurricane season. That ended November 30th. So what are we going to be looking out for now? A lot of holiday cheer and holiday travel. So if you have any late family members that are just getting back from the Thanksgiving holiday, say they wanted to extend it, they can work from home, and they are just now hitting the roads or headed to the airports along the Lone Star State, there's going to be no issues, no flight delays reported for today. A number of airports reporting de-icing efforts. You probably heard about the snowfall that happened from Ohio to New York, feet of snow that put everybody at a standstill. Travel was nearly impossible on the roads, and so they're still reeling from that. You'll notice there's still some snow showers in the area, and so planes are going to have some issues from that. And of course, planes connect from one place to another, so if there's delays there or they're having some sort of an issue de-icing a plane, that might impact your particular flight. However, right now on the travel map, not showing too many issues except for up in Seattle. So Seattle's dealing with some fog today, and so they're clocking in about a 30-minute delay from departing flights. How about the rest of the late travelers? Maybe they're going back later today or tomorrow. Aside from a couple of lingering snow showers in the Northeast, there shouldn't be any issues, especially for the Great Plains, for the Basin, for the Lone Star State. Even the West Coast looks pretty good aside from that fog in Seattle. Tomorrow should be pretty nice too. And then we become the trouble spot as we head into Wednesday because there's going to be a rainmaker, a coastal low that approaches and brings back the showers and the storms. So we'll talk about the local forecast now. Today in Houston looks really good. We've got mostly sunny skies. Temperatures are nice and mild. We only max out in the 60, 68. Is going to be your high temperature right around 3 o'clock. Not to mention the air is so nice and dry. Today's a great day to get some of those errands done, switch over the decorations from Thanksgiving to Christmas, hang up the lights outside, and if you're working inside and you break up a sweat, open the door because the air that you'll be bringing in is nice and dry. So you get to enjoy the crisp air today. You get to enjoy it again tomorrow, Wednesday. Close up those windows. Not only are we going to have very humid air coming back into the picture, we're going to have some showers coming back into southeast Texas. So let's walk you through future track. Today, just a couple of high clouds, mainly sunny skies. Temperatures are going to be nice and comfortable on the cool side. Already by 6 o'clock, 59 degrees. Tomorrow, mild, starts in the 40s, highs in the 60s, but with more cloud cover overhead. These are friendly clouds, so you're not going to see a shower activity on your Tuesday disrupting any of your commutes. Wednesday, though, that's when we're going to see rain, not just impacting our morning commute, but slowing us down for the afternoon and for the evening when you're trying to get back from work. Wednesday's all in all going to be pretty messy, maybe even a washout of a day. Thursday, some lingering showers is still around. Friday, lingering showers is still around. It's going to be a pretty wet pattern once we get to the middle of the week. That's going to be our transition point. So today is nice. Tomorrow, very nice too. 67 is the high. Upper 60s on Wednesday, and then Thursday we might even manage to make it to 70 degrees. With those rain chances at about 20 to 30%. So this is the rainmaker that's approaching on Tuesday, just swinging around some clouds. Wednesday, the warm front slings some moisture here, so showers and even some thunder showers, which could have some significant juice. Widespread 1 to 2 inches of rain is what I'm expecting. Of course, this is not all evenly spread, so a couple of areas like right now the models are hinting maybe Katy, Richmond gets less than an inch of rain, or some areas that have some of the brighter reflectivity, maybe they get some training storms that redevelop in the same area could accumulate more than 2 inches, maybe 3, even 4 possible. So in those spots, we could see some localized street flooding. We could see definitely ponding. So just slow down, especially when you're driving along the curbs. You know how that water piles on there. Someone's walking along the sidewalk, you don't want to be racing through there and splash them, or even splash your neighbor, because you know that temporarily really reduces their visibility. So just drive slowly as we start to see the rain showers coming back into the picture. Okay, full 7-day forecast today and tomorrow. Nice day, so you don't have to worry about anything. Wednesday, don't forget your umbrella, maybe some rain boots. Take care of the windshield wipers maybe today too, ahead of this mess. Thursday, Friday, some isolated showers. Don't cancel any plan kind of thing. And then Saturday, maybe you limit the outdoor plans and pencil them in for Sunday instead. Temperatures look pretty good though. It definitely feels like the holidays now.